Welcome to the unfortunate new Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application and then click here on the search pool, and now just enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing. Now just open the app, click here enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap to OK, again OK. Now just go back and click to the switch input methods and switch the keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And that's finished, as can you see. And now just will go somewhere when we can enter something, for example to the Google search, and here you can see the look of our new keyboard, and this keyboard is also close to the iPhone one as all the emojis. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.